Hello.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to our cooking video. Today we are cooking
粽子
rice balls. Once again,
粽子
rice balls. Okay, I'm going to have pork because it's mainly to eat pork. Also, I had a dream that I ate some meat and I was really wanting meat now. This is pork belly. I got pretty cheap and I have put pepper, sugar for some reason. I was told to put sugar in it.
Soy sauce.
Light soy sauce. And I've marinated it for roughly 2 hours.
Yeah, so normally they do it overnight.
Normally they do it overnight, but
we don't have overnight.
We don't have overnight. And Davey...
For my vegetarian options, because I'm thinking to do the egg, salted egg, but it turns out it's going to take 40 days.
Yeah, she can't wait 40 days to eat an egg.
So I'm thinking a creative way to make a salt egg.
Just go and do what we can do. At the moment I have marinated the pork. I have looked at the eggs. They're still there. Got eggs.
Yeah, we got some veggies for me. Mushrooms.
Mushrooms as well for the veggie option.
Yeah.
And we got sticky rice that we put in a rice cooker.
Yeah, to be honest, for the dragon boat festival food, Zongzi, we need a kind of special green leaf we couldn't find here in the UK.
Yeah, the green leaf apparently only grows in China once a year, so we can't get it now. There's some leaves I can get from a tree, but Davey said no. We have run out of extra virgin olive oil, and it's expensive, so I got butter. I'm going to cut off some butter and fry that. Hopefully not cut off my finger. There. That was easy. Davey's cheating and she's looking online.
I don't want to be acting.
The butter is still melting. The good thing is, if I use too much butter, when Davey's finished with hers, I can put the butter in there as well. You want to fry it at a temperature of about 5 or 6 for about half an hour.
About half hour?
No, I'm just lying.
Why are you lying?
I don't know, it just sounded really good. Okay, we have 3 pans. One for the meat, one for the vegetables, and one for the boiled egg. We also have a rice cooker because we're cheating on the rice. I thought I'd get an Asian girlfriend. And then I'd have.
What do you mean Asian girlfriend?
I get an
girlfriend.
I get an Asian.
Happen to be Asian.
I get an Asian girlfriend, and I thought it'd be like all the animes. You have packed lunch boxes made for you with little like cool things and stuff. Little packed box. No, get none of that.
So do not to be stereotyped for anything.
And then I thought, you know what? At least I get that nice Chinese food. Because Chinese food is like one of my favourite foods.
Oh, that's right.
And then she comes along, she can't cook. No, I can't even cook. I do most of the cooking. I think I got a broken one. Can I take it back?
No.
Warranty, please.
No warranty, you know.
Warranty claim.
Everything made in China, there's no warranty.
No.
No.
I'm going to add some pepper, because I want to. That looks quite nice.
You can just eat it.
Yeah.
Without the bowl, without the red bowl.
Shall I put the rice on now?
Wait. Let me.
Oh, the rice is coming up. Oh. I don't know why, but the writing's come up the wrong way around. Because it's the camera. Never noticed that. Wow.
What?
It's like a mirror.
Of course.
Wow, I never knew that.
Oh my god, James.
What?
So when I
That's giving us a nice brownie colour. Quite nice. Apparently, pork is the closest you can get to tasting human. Human tastes like pork, apparently.
What?
Yeah.
roast beef grill.
Oh, I'm doing a scientific.
Have you ever tried cumin before?
No, but someone else has and said it tasted like pork.
So this is my feeling for the dragon boat
This is her feelings.
food. Zongzi. My feelings. You hurt my feelings.
This is my feelings.
You hurt my
My
feelings.
feelings are a bunch of vegetables. That explains so much. Why am I only in the camera and you're not?
Yeah,
They can only see my t-shirt.
Because the camera angle is not right. We have to learn how to shoot.
There we go. A little bit higher.
Yeah, that's nice. There's some potato in the baked chicken. Maddie, get up. Get up. It's not the playground.
Yeah, I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, the meat is ready. I think it's been cooking for a while.
Yeah.
Definitely ready. What about your meat? Your veggie? Okay, we're just going with the flow. The eggs aren't really boiling, are they? Whoa, look at the rice. The rice is all watery. Bubbly. Bubbles. Bubbles, bubbles.
Have you put any ingredients?
Bubbles,
in
bubbles,
my
bubbles.
Have you put any ingredients in my veggie? Or no?
Yes, I put some wine in it.
Anything else?
And that's it.
Salt.
Chop the pork. Oh. It's little pieces. Tiny little pieces. The smaller the better.
Have you tried that taste?
Yeah, it's really nice.
You like it?
Mm.
Oh, I do like it.
Thing is, once it's cooked, it's pretty easy to chop as well.
No,
Did Davey cook it well enough?
Nobody
Correct.
wants to learn how to pick egg.
No, but it's like you know when you make egg and soldiers, that's the egg you need. You need it to be runny in the inside.
This is the runny inside because even though we couldn't show you the runny inside, but we guarantee that's runny.
Oh, she
inside.
guarantees. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't prove it.
No.
It's easy to prove
So,
something when you can't guarantee
you
it.
need 4 minutes to boil the egg, the running egg. So I used the first 2 minutes to boil the egg.
You don't need 4
and
minutes.
Then,
2 minutes to boil an egg.
really?
Hmm.
Oh no, too long probably. Okay, I'm not guaranteed. Not guaranteed running egg, but I guarantee to boil the egg.
We've got the pork ready. Add a bit more flavour. We're going to put some vegetables in there. Like that.
Yeah, mix them together.
Mix them together. And then we're going to get our sticky rice.
Use some special.
Also, we're going to wash our hands.
Yeah.
Okay.
Use the first layer is with the flavor, you know. This rice is for the.
I'm gonna just mush it together, then use it. So we mush it together.
That's too big. You have to make a small one.
Can I do mine and you do yours. God. You have to do this. You have to do that.
But you have to listen. You know?
Oh, I have to listen to it.
Yeah. You cannot make a ball because it's too much feelings. James never listen, to be honest. But I just keep talking until you get annoyed. You still won't listen. That's not Zongzi. That's definitely not Zongzi.
And there we go. That is our first one.
No. This is the most ugly.
Okay. That is our first rice ball. And our second rice ball. Okay. That is the first layer. I'm going to wait until that hardens and then I'll put on a second layer.
I won't harden.
Shush.
Keep eating.
Okay, Davey going. Nah. Now it's Davey's turn to show you. Look at the full concentration on Davey.
And then
She knows this. See, these don't look too bad. Okay, they're not falling apart, and they look like balls. This is Davey's soiled egg. Egg in soy sauce mixed with rice, sticky rice. And this is James's pork balls with sticky rice. Why is there only one? How many eggs did you use?
one.
Oh, you still got one egg left. Oh, okay.
Because I don't have rice.
Okay. And James used all the rice. Alright, bye. That is how you make pork belly rice balls.
Yeah, that's our intention to make Zongzi, the sticky rice ball for the Dragon Boat Festival. Turns out, the resource limited.
Alright, and
we made our balls.
this is goodbye from me.
Goodbye from me. We're gonna enjoy our balls.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy our balls. Thank you for watching. If you got to the end of this video, like and subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
And I'm just gonna do